If you recall, we learned about divs and semantic elements before. Divs create boxes. Semantic elements like a header, article, footer, nav create boxes as well, but they have names and purposes. If you were creating this layout, you can see that if I was using a div, I would have to have 4 different div tags to get the same effect as having a header, article, figure, and footer. And figure is another semantic element. In addition, I would have to use what used to be called a span tag, which can still be used but is outdated at this point, to create something inside of another box, so a box within a box. This is important because if you think about it, this div at the top is doing something different than this one and this one and this one. So you have the same tag doing multiple things, which we're going to learn how to make that happen. But over here, you have some reasoning behind it. You're telling the computer that the header is up at the top and the nav is inside of it. The nav is where they'll find the navigation. Articles where the main information is going to go, and footer is going to go at the bottom. That way, if this gets used on a mobile device, it can rearrange these objects and put them in the right order, and these have meaning. Not only that, but you can make them look different because you're calling upon a header tag and then an article, not a div and then a div and then a div and then a div. You're making separate semantic elements that can do different things and have meaning for the computer to understand.